Hey everyone, want to get paid for testing websites and apps even with no tech experience? Meet you test and Meet UTest, a legit platform that pays you to test digital products from big brands like Google, Uber, and PayPal. In this video, I will show you how to sign up, get your first project, and start earning money on UTest even if you are a complete beginner. UTest.com is one of the biggest crowd crowd testing platforms in the world. They connect real people like you with companies that want their websites, apps, and software tested by a real user. You don't need to be a developer or coder. You are giving feedback like this app crashes when I click this button or this form isn't loading properly. Let's start with signing up. Go to utest.com. Click on Join Now button at the top right corner. Enter your first name and last name, email, address, date of birth, and click Next to location like then click Next devices, Windows 10 or 11, language English, your mobile device brand name like Xiaomi or Redmi. Select model, OS, then last step, enter or create a new password, then stay informed and check the mark and click complete setup. Now log in to your UTest account using your account. Click remember me and sign in. Now go to your email inbox and click confirm email address. And that's it. The more details you add, the more test invitations you will receive, like setup payment method, scan project board, take a course, academy, etc. Before you get real paid projects, UTest asks you to go through their UTest Academy, a short training program where you learn how to report bugs and write clear feedback. It's beginner friendly and takes just a few hours to complete. These steps is important. It helps you get your first paid test cycle. Once you pass the academy, you will start receiving test cycle invitations via email or your UTest dashboard. Each test cycle will show type of test like functional, usability, payment testings, device requirement, pay per bug, usually $5 to $25 depending on severity, instructions and deadline. You can choose whether to accept or skip any cycle, no pressure. Your earnings depend on your active UR and and the type of bugs you report. Minor bugs $3 to $5, major bugs $10 to $20, critical bugs up to $50. You can also earn flat rates for test cases like $10 for just following steps and checking if everything works. You test pays via PayPal or Payoneer Twitch a month. On the 5th and last day of the month. Minimum payout just $2. Super beginner friendly. Here's how to get more tests and earn more. Keep your device information updated with first. Early testers often get more bugs rewards. Be detailed and clear when reporting issues. Join the UTest forums to learn from top testers. Accept all types of tests at first to build your rating and reputation. Click on your profile icon, then click payment for withdraw, then click on setup button and set up your Payoneer or PayPal account from here. And that's how you make money with your test as a beginner. It's flexible, global, and perfect if you enjoy exploring apps and websites. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more online income tips, and drop a comment if you want a video on real-time bugs hunting or UTest Income Pro. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.